Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at this new product here from Alpaka. This is the Flow Satchel 10 litre version. Now this is 677 grams or 1.5 pounds. It has space enough to carry a 13-inch laptop. So this sort of slanted design means that if you wear it in this way, I would say, I don't know, it's perhaps a little bit easier to grab into certain areas of the bag. Perhaps also easier to zip and unzip it. So on this side you do have a water bottle pocket which goes all the way down to the bottom here, and it is also, you can unzip it to expand the amount of space, or the capacity of the water bottle if it's a larger or thicker bottle. You also have this elastic here, so you can elasticate that around the bottle to keep it secure. There's also attachment points along the side here, so you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side as well. You also have this waterproof front zippered pocket. Now this has a spot for your keychain, so a lanyard for your keychain. You can see there's also a nice grab handle on the back, and also on the back there is another zippered compartment, and this is just additional pockets or sleeves in this one. The strap is detachable. You just press this little button here and push it down. Indent here which clips into this part, and I believe there are magnets involved because it clips in very nicely. It does also have this strap keeper, and it is the same for the rear one as well. One thing I will say about the straps though is that while there is this nice padded part for your shoulder, the actual adjustment, as you can see here, the amount of room you have to adjust it on each side. You do have this buckle on each side, but as you can see, it's kind of bunching up the padding. So you can slide that over the padding like so, and then adjust it further as you need. One of those buckles is going to get trapped inside here, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's not that easy to slide it in there. So as you can see, it's just the right width, but sliding it in there does take a little bit of effort. But once it's in there, it's fine. And I'll take you inside to take a look at the inside of the bag. But I did just want to show, this is what it looks like hanging over the left shoulder. And this is what it looks like hanging over the right shoulder. Now on the inside, this is where we can see I just have my little DJI microphone bag in there, and this is where you can see there are 2 slip pockets, another 2 there I'll show you in a moment, but you can see the laptop sleeve here, so there isn't a strap to hold it across, but this is my 13-inch MacBook Air, so I'll just take that out. You can see there is a zippered compartment. Once I open that compartment, you can see that there is 2 mesh pockets. And that's pretty much it for the inside there. So that's pretty much it there. A quick look at the new Flow 10 litre satchel from Alpaka. If you are in the market for a new laptop carry bag, or just generally a satchel that has waterproof design and is made from very nice materials, go ahead and click the link in the description. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.